Alright guys, MTech Guy here, and today we're going to take a look at changing out the rear sway bar end links on the E60 M5. Now, this is a follow-up video to a previous video I did where we focused on the front sway bar end links, and in that video we talked about the purpose of the sway bars and when it's time to change out your sway bar end links, what to look out for. So if you want more information on the sway bars for the E60, go and check out that previous video. Next up, we'll take a look at the parts required. Okay, so here's the parts, the two rear sway bar end links, and same as the front ones, I've gone for the Lemforder brand. They're the OEM manufacturer for BMW, so I would suggest going for genuine BMW or the Lemforder branded ones. Now, unlike the front ones, these are just both the same part number, it doesn't matter which side they go on. So same again, I'll list the part number in the description of the video below. Okay, so let's take a look at the steps required to get them changed out on the car. Okay, so to start off with, we'll get the rear of the car up in the air, we'll get the wheels off, and we'll get it securely sat on axle stands. Now it's important that we get both wheels up in the air when we go to remove the end links, because if not, if you do one side at a time, one corner at a time, what can happen is it'll just load up that sway bar with force, and it'll be difficult to get the end links on and off, so it's best to get it right up in the air, and then that'll relieve all the stress off the sway bar. Alright, so here we are, we've got the rear of the car up in the air, both wheels off, and it's securely sat on axle stands. So the end links for the anti-roll bars live just here. Now, the top one has a nut that takes a 16mm spanner, and the one down the bottom, the nut down there, takes an 18mm spanner. But what you'll have to do, because this is a ball joint going through there, as you undo the nuts, it's going to try and turn the ball joint as well, so you're going to have to counter hold it. Now these have access for a Torx fitting at the end of the studs, at the end of the ball joints. So when you're undoing it with your spanner, you want to hold it with a Torx bit on a small ratchet. So the top one takes a T30 Torx and the bottom one takes a T40 Torx. Okay, let's get the old one removed. There's the old one, and here's the new one ready to install. And these Lemforders came with new nuts. If your new anti-roll bar end links didn't come with new nuts, I'm not sure if the genuine BMW ones do. You can always reuse your old nuts or buy some new ones. And to wind the nuts on and off, I'm using some ratchet ring spanners. Makes life a little bit easier. then we'll just give them 2 nuts a nip with the regular ring spanner. There we go, that's that side sorted. Now we'll move over to the right hand side. Alright, that's the 2 new sway bar end links fitted, so now we're ready to stick the wheels back on, drop it back down on its wheels, retorque the wheel bolts, and then we're all done. Alright guys, so there we have it. That's how you go about changing out your rear sway bar end links on your E60 M5. This video also applies to most other E60s too. Now if you want to take a look at changing out your front sway bar end links, make sure to go and check out my previous video where we went through the steps required with that job. If you found this video interesting or useful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe. I'm MTech Guy. Thanks a lot for watching.